It's Big Bang, baby. So now that we know that Big Bang is coming back with a comeback, what are they gonna sound like?
And I'm gonna get down. I love you.
We don't know because they're kind of unpredictable. Big Bang, especially G-Dragon, is very unpredictable about the sound. I made my own playlist of like Big Bang faves that I've put on repeat ever since they announced this. And I've also been trying to figure out and talking to my friends about what do you think is this comeback gonna be sounding like? And I feel like the short answer is that we don't know, but we excited. Anything that has to do with Big Bang, whether it be solos or duos or subunits, it's gonna change the world. Whatever goes in the head of G-Dragon's mind has to come out on paper and pen and also in music. Do we want a sad song that also is like upbeat? Do we want a rap song? Do we want a trap song? Do we want a ballad? We will never know until it comes out. Basically what I'm trying to say is that put in the comments down below what you guys think Big Bang Sound is gonna be sounding like, because I'm excited. Hopefully you're excited. Just got all my merch, at least my light sticks back, so I'm glad. I'm ready. VIP, Big Bang, let's go. I just want a little clue. I don't know, is there a clue out there? Maybe, I don't know. You guys could correct me in the comments down below if you already know any tea or secrets of what this is gonna be like. What's the music video gonna be like? I feel like each comeback that I've seen so far in reactions, obviously, it's always something different and always like surprise me, and then I get emotional and then I cry and I end the video, then I cry again, watch the video again, then start to edit and cry again after a while I edit, and then release the video. That sounds like a process of what I do. To be honest, I'm just happy that they're just coming back. But I'm also very curious of that sound. If you're excited for Big Bang's comeback, hit that like button, share this video, let's have a discussion. Also got 2 new reaction videos that I'll go check them out. I'm reacting to the new girl group that's coming out called XG. I'll put it in the link in the description as well. Follow me on Twitch, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Listen, we've been waiting for a while. So I'm just happy that we got a Big Bang comeback. It's your boy JRE, keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video, or catch me on Twitch. Alright y'all, peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.